What are other kinds of swans?
Gray swan.
What else? Is there a blue swan?
No.
No, but there's a white swan and a gray swan.
Yes.
What's your favorite part about riding bikes to school? You have a favorite part?
What?
Why are you going so slow? Come on. What's your favorite part about riding your bike to school? Nothing?
How much birds we see?
How many birds we see?
Mhm.
That's pretty cool. What's your favorite kind of bird in the Netherlands?
Oh. Magpie?
Magpie?
Yeah.
Which ones are those? What color are they?
Black, blue, and white.
Black, blue, and white. Oh, they're related to the blue jay.
Yeah.
Got it. We gotta stop here. What's your second favorite kind of bird?
Tit. Or chickadee.
A
They're
tit
the
or a
same.
chickadee?
They're the same.
Got it. Why do you like those?
Because of the funny noise they do.
What?
Make. Because of the funny noise they make.
Because of the funny noise? Can you make the noise?
Chickadee dee dee dee.
Do it again.
Chickadee dee dee dee.
And the tits do that too? Got it. Is a tit just another name for a chickadee?
Yes.
It is. It's just like the Dutch version of a chickadee?
Yeah. It's the Dutch name for it.
Got it. Okay. Cool. All right. Anything else to say?
No?
All right.